Can you feel it? There's a rushing wind at our back, and we're rushing.
I'm not sure if a lot of people know, pero yung anak ko, meron siyang special needs. Meron siyang autism.
Nung una, hindi namin matanggap na ganun yung anak namin. Tapos nung bandang huli, nakikita namin na nag-improve siya. Natanggap na rin namin na ganun nga yung sitwasyon niya.
We were afraid kasi may stigma. And when they know if your child has autism, and yun, hindi mo siya you're trying to protect him.
So we hold on and enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. Enjoy the ride.
Hi Joaquin! Happy birthday, apo ko! Sobrang saya ko na umabot ka na sa 7 years old mo ngayon at sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at saka lumaki kang yung makakapagsalita ka na talaga ng diretso, apo ko, maging normal na katulad ng mga ibang bata.
And enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time.
Happy 7th birthday, Joaquin. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and be a good boy always. Grandma loves you.
Enjoy the ride. Can you feel it? The rushing wind. Can you feel it?
I know we will pagtatagumpayan natin to for as long as we're together. And I'm not gonna pressure you. Kung ano lang kaya mo, gonna let your medical diagnosis define you. And we will always be here, your daddy and me. And we will always support you and we'll walk you through in this journey hand in hand. Kaya natin to. Mahal ka namin, ano?
So we hold on and enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs.
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Celebrate tayo ng birthday mo. Kasama yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. At ayun, sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating. Yung mga challenges sa buhay mo, sana makayanan natin na magkasama. Nandito lang ako palagi sa'yo.